determined is the width of the implement, which is 2.5 metres wide. We're sowing grass seed, so the sow rate as per Dairy New Zealand, they recommend between 18 to 20 kgs a hectare. The customer here, he wants it on 18. Speed, this is the speed which he's going to be driving the tractor at. This is 8k an hour. When you put those three pieces of information in, the target is calculated by the box here, so it's going to be putting down 600 grams. And the calibration, that's where we actually measure the seed coming out of it and tell it what it's got. So we measured 609 grams. Calibration is good. So it automatic, this percentage here is the percentage of how fast the seed roller is turning. It's travelling at 72.2% of its maximum speed. So it'll automatically calibrate this. So we're good to go there.